Hey guys! So now I want to show you how to use your gallery, and that way there's no confusion through the selection process of your favorites. So when you get the link and click into it, your gallery is going to look something like this. This is an example gallery, so it's not the most aesthetic as far as the setup goes, but this, just to give you a general idea, this is how it will look. For my existing clients who are working with me again, the process is a little bit different, but it's almost exactly the way it used to be. So just pay attention, and I promise this will be quick. So you're going to scroll down. You'll see all of the images that I took. These will be unedited images. You are going to select your favorites, and after selecting them, I will then go in and make the edits and then re-release them to you without this watermark. So what you will do is you'll go through these, and then when you find the ones that you like the most, you're going to hover over the image. You see there's a little flag button here at the bottom. You will hover over that, and then you will click the box that pertains to where you want to put this image. Some people will only have one folder, and that is because they didn't book a mini session that included an expedite on a couple of images to use for Christmas card ordering. Those are later in the year, so if you did an earlier mini session, you probably only have one folder. If you're wondering what was included as far as turnaround times go, you can go look at your contract. But for those who have two boxes, one will be for your expedited images. 2 images are included in your package. You can choose up to 5 images, meaning you will pay for an extra 3 images, but I will still expedite all 5. And then you can select any remaining images that you would like me to edit and put them in the remaining images section. Once you are done, I'm going to select a few and just put them in random folders. Those will go up at the top under this flag. So if you click the flag, it'll show you how many you've selected in each. Even though it says 1 out of 40, if you only want to select 1 for this folder, that's okay. 3 for this, that's okay. You don't have to fill the folder up. You can just go up to that number. And then you will click the box, review the images that are selected, and then click send to photographer. I will then receive an email, and it'll notify me that you are done making those selections so that I can start the editing process. I do edit in the order that my clients choose, so those who choose quicker are incentivized a little because I will edit theirs a little faster. So if your turnaround time, let's say it's 5 days, and you select them as one of the earlier clients, you might get it back in 1 day, 3 days, you'll get it back a little quicker. But everyone will still receive their images back within the normal turnaround time that they were promised, as long as you comply with making your selections within the window of time that was outlined in your email. The email also has instructions of all of this in there, but I wanted to show a visual representation just in case. This is all done on a PC that I just showed you. A phone will look slightly different, but it'll be the same process. You'll just have to look for the flag buttons. Now going into the other feature I wanted to highlight, that is the shop icon. If you click the shop icon, you will see all of the various print options that I offer. And for the holiday season specifically, I have a couple of prints that I want to highlight. So foil greeting cards and greeting cards are both cards that can be used for Christmas cards. So if you click into one and then you click on the occasion, holiday, you will see various different types of card templates that then you can drag and drop images into. You can add text, you can change colors around, and then you can add it to the cart and order it. You can also contact me if you'd like me to assist you in ordering cards. That is a service that I offer as far as the design and the overall ordering, so you don't have to worry about the functionality of the shop if you are at all confused. And then I also wanted to highlight, if we go back into shop, a couple other print ideas. Calendars are a great gift to give someone. If you selected several photos in your gallery that you wanted edited, you can create your own custom calendar for the entire year and give that to grandma, grandpa, anyone in the family that would want to see pictures of you, the family, or the children. So wooden boxes that are great. Again, if you want to gift a large amount of prints to a loved one, you can have them inside of a wooden box. And then we also have ornaments. So if you click on ornaments, you are able to customize your own Christmas ornament at any shape that you would like, and then you can drag and drop images. You can make them cropped in if you'd like and drag them to fit any way that you would like, and here's how they would look on your tree. So If you have any questions about any prints, obviously I have other print options as well, but these are the ones that I think are the most fitting for the holiday season. Please contact me. Please also keep an eye on your email. You will receive some sales to make these prints more comparable to a Shutterfly price. However, I just want to emphasize that the print stores that I work with are print stores that only work with professional photographers, and so the quality and standard of the prints are just much higher than you would get from a company like Shutterfly, who are doing things in mass amounts and always trying to make the best price. So if you are focused more on quality over quantity of goods, I highly suggest that you check out the print store. And if you need any assistance with the print store, please contact me. I look forward to seeing which selections that you make for me to edit. And once I am done editing them, you will receive an additional email with a new link for you to view the gallery, download the images, and order prints. Two last quick notes before I leave you. One is, as a small business owner, reviews really make the difference in how many bookings I get throughout the year. So if you had a great experience, I would love to hear about it. Obviously not required whatsoever, but you will receive an email requesting that. And I also love when my clients tag me on social media. So I will be leaving my Instagram handle, TikTok, and Facebook as well in case you would like to tag me. Have a great holiday, guys!